to another episode of Culterra's products. Today we'll be using their indoor potting mix, and we will be potting a wide variety of ferns. These guys need to go into bigger pots. So first steps first, I'm just gonna open these out. Right, then we're gonna put some Culterra's indoor potting mix into each of these. Culterra's indoor potting mix is a really nice and diverse product. It's suitable for indoor plants, patio plants, and even some of your outdoor pot plants. It contains added fertilizer, slow release, that you don't need to add anything for the first 5 to 6 months of your plant's life. It has everything it needs to give it a boost and the start to life that it requires. So you can see this guy's a little bit root bound. We're just going to gently break these roots a little bit like that. We don't want to damage it, just want him to encourage him to grow more freely. This one looks good. This one is also not too root bound. Right, then what we're going to do, just want to fill them up. Center. Right, I'm going to use this little pot, and we're just going to make sure they have a nice amount of indoor potting all around. Give that guy a good press down, not to break the leaves. As well, just give a good pressure. Right, I'm just going to pour some of this in here. Now we're just going to give them a nice water. Got our watering can here. Go. And last but not least, if you would like to hang these pots and they're not going to stand, then they come with these lovely attachments. Culterra products available at Culterra or ask your local garden centre, and it's pretty simple. We're just going to attach these clips onto here. Like so. And there we have it, folks. Thank you for joining me for another episode, and I look forward to seeing these ferns really flourish.